What's up guys, and welcome back to my video. So today we'll be doing the weekly analysis for the final week of May. Okay, so let's kick it off with the Great British Pound and the USD. So the overall trend is the uptrend. Okay, we are still bullish, therefore we're favoring our buy setups or buy bias. So what we're looking for this week, firstly, we must set our key support resistance zones, which we've already highlighted there. That's a key support resistance zone. That's another one there. And that's another one over here. So what we're looking for this week is for the market either to continue moving down, come back to the support, retest, and continue making its way back up, or the market could break through this resistance zone, come back to retest, and then continue making its way back up. Okay, so just to recap again, we are in an uptrend, therefore the market is doing higher highs and higher lows, therefore our bias is to take buy positions. Okay, with our 4-hour, we look at the key support resistance zones, the key levels that the market has made, which we've highlighted there, and then for our price action, we can come back and drop to the 1-hour, and then this is where we expect to see our entries. Okay, where the market can come down to the support, move back up, or break that resistance, come back down, and then continue its way back up. Okay, so the next pair we're looking at is the Great British Pound New Zealand Dollar. Let's go to our daily just to see what's going on. Similar thing, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, predominantly we are still in an uptrend. Alright, let's go to a 4-hour. So in the 4-hour, we can see our key support resistance zones. So we're looking for the market to either come back down to this recent resistance support there and continue its way back up. Okay, and you can see that it's already bounced off that support already over here, so maybe might just come back down, retest it again, and continue moving, or the market could continue moving upwards, break that resistance, come back down to retest, and then continue its way back up. Okay, so those are the two variations that I'll be looking at for this week. However, if the market does break through the support and go all the way down, similar principle applies. Just wait for the retest, wait for valid confirmation, and then you can ride the market all the way back up. So the next pair is the Great British Pound Australian Dollar. Let's go to our daily. So we can see that we don't have as strong as an uptrend as we do with the Great British Pound and USD. However, the market is still making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so when I go to our 4-hour chart, we can see that we are at a key resistance right now, and the market seems to be bouncing back off that resistance. So what we're expecting to see next week is for the market to either come down to this level, retest that level, and move back up, similar to what we saw here, okay, in this region, or the market could come down, break through, come all the way back down here, make its way back up. That's a possibility. Also, the market could just break through this resistance, come back and retest the now new support, and then the market could continue its way back up. So that's it for the Great British Pound pairs. Now let's move on to the USD CAD. So this USD CAD has been in a downtrend, okay? The market has been making lower lows and lower highs. That's pretty easy to see. And at this point in time, we are looking for either the market to break through the support or come back to retest that resistance. So what we could be expecting next week, for the market to break through here, come back up to retest and continue its way back down, or the market could move all the way back up to that resistance and then continue making its way back down. Alright, next pair is the Chf Jpy. This is the inverse of the USD CAD. We can see that we have been on an uptrend. Okay, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. So let's come to our 4-hour. You can see our significant support resistance zones highlighted there. So we're looking for the market to come back to these zones and give us some reaction to these zones. So what we can expect is for the market to move down, come back to that support, continue to way back up. The market could also give us this alternative of breaking through that resistance, coming back for the retest, and moving all the way back up. Okay, and also the market could also, although unlikely, move all the way back down there, then continue its way back up. And the reason I say it's unlikely, or at least unlikely for this week, is because this support has seemed to hold strong over a couple of weeks now, a couple of days. So it held strong there, held strong there, held strong there, there. So what looks like is a highly probable setup is for the market to come back down and continue making its way back up. Next pair, Chf Jpy. Let's come to our daily. We can easily see we're making higher highs and higher lows. The market is bullish or in an uptrend. Let's go to our 4-hour. We've spotted our key support to resistance zones. Okay, so for the 1-hour, what we're expecting to see is the market to move back down to the support and continue its way back up, or the market could break through this resistance, come back down, and continue its way back up. Okay, or the other alternative is obviously if it goes all the way back down to this support and then make its way back up. So that's what we're looking for the CHF, Swiss franc, and the Japanese yen. And our final pair is gonna be Euro JPY. So with the Euro JPY, you can see that this is beautifully making higher highs and higher lows. Let's come to our 4-hour. The market seems to be at a key support resistance level there. So you can see that it's bounced off that support and started moving back up. So what we can expect next week is either for the market to come back down, retest the support again and move back up, or the market could move up, continue moving upwards, break that resistance, come back down to retest, and then continue making its way back up. So those are the pairs that I'm looking for this week. And remember to be patient, wait for the setups. If the setup doesn't play out, don't force a trade. look for another pair. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for the support. Bye.